Hi everybody, Merry Christmas! Christmas for 2020 is a challenging year for the whole world. COVID-19 allows many people to work from home or participate in online classes. In COVID-19, making online posters, e-card, or e-invitation is even more critical, because it can reduce your contact with others and make you safer. Okay. Today I will share with you 10 free Christmas templates made by WPS Office. Type at a person you want to send Christmas wishes under comment. We'll send you a package of these 10 templates. You can customize it in WPS Office document, and you can customize any content inside without any design. You can send beautiful greeting cards or invitations to your friends, teachers, and family members. You can also make it into a poster to invite your friends and family. If you want to download more about templates to exquisite your presentation, Excel or Word, search for WPS template on our YouTube to learn about other WPS template premium features. So great! I have sent this e-card to my family.
Thank you for staying with WPS, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.